Xbox also lame. Power up is Nintendo's reign. Harmon's here, we break the chains. Pixel worlds, we lead the game. Stories only Minecraft's up, it's all in there.
Like lightning out of nowhere comes the Animal Crossing New Horizons update. The best-selling original game on Nintendo Switch is getting new features and new updates, which of course is going to guarantee its continued success and longevity until the next game comes out.
Armor Smith, he's the name. Nintendo reigns.